now I am in the aquarium. You can see one is here too, there too. I'm so scared.
I never saw.
Okay, like this.
Yes.
Oh my God!
Daddy! Mom.
अरे ये क्या है?
It's a mom go. So mom's going to go.
Oh, Eddie, what is it?
And mom has come out of the hole. Eee! How does it feel?
Shark is coming. Shark is coming.
Shark. You see, there are many sharks. That's why it's called Shark Tunnel. Oh.
The one and only in Thailand.
I want one! So guys, you can see it is our third day. No, you can say second day. Yeah, second day. It's our second day and we are in a mall. So we want to do sea life things here.
Hello guys, Addie's tired already, as you can see, right Addie? What about the sea life? How would you see that? I would. We are going to the aquarium.
In the mall.
Yeah, that is called sea life. So we are gonna see many fish and what else?
All sea animals.
Oh yeah, sea animals.
You know, Mom, the blue whale is the biggest animal in the world. Sea also and biggest. You know, an elephant is so big, right? But it is only for blue whale. An elephant can come on a blue whale's tongue also. This was of October to December, this cartoon. Now the little bear and whatever is there.
Yeah.
Protect what you love. Oh, weird things are there.
Create your own cotton cloud station. Wow!
So now I want to make cotton candy. You know, I can make here. Come here,
This side here. Okay.
this side here, Daddy. I cannot make anything. Yeah, it will be boring a little. Can I make the penguin?
Yay!
So I would make the shape or she would make?
You.
Me? How would? Oh, I need to wear this.
Yes, this one.
Oh.
What color you like? You can make here.
A pink and white penguin? It would be special. This and pink.
Pink, na? This one pink.
Yeah, this and this for a penguin.
1, 2, 3.
Wow,
Okay.
really good.
Okay.
I'm getting this. I'm getting the
Good, good.
hang of
Keep
this.
it up, keep it up.
Okay. Okay.
Whoa.
You can take here. You take. Yeah. Inside here. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Take.
Whoa.
This one, you can take here. Small. Okay.
So this,
Feeling, Eddie.
with this I will make one. I will make one foot with
Eddie,
this.
how you
Big one,
feeling?
okay. Big one, okay.
So I'll make one with this.
Yeah.
1 foot.
One, okay. You want big one, you can take a big one, okay.
Oh.
Very good.
So
One more, okay. You come here.
wow.
One more.
Okay.
This one, okay.
Like this. Okay.
1, 2, 3. Wait. Oh, okay. Very good. Big. Okay.
Oh. I wish mom was here.
Okay.
How are
One.
you feeling, Eddie?
Really amazing.
Okay.
Now,
White color.
yeah, white.
One.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one and here.
This much fat.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one. You can
Oh.
wait, na?
Okay. Make
This
the
one
eyes,
here.
eyes. Oh, nose.
Text.
Nose.
It's
And here. Okay, one. Here. Inside here. This one. You can hear. Ah, okay. This one. Same.
there we go.
Wait na.
Exciting.
Come. This one. You take here. This one here.
Oh.
Here. Oh no no. Little bit. Little bit.
ऊपर ऊपर बेटा ऊपर.
Okay.
Up up up
Up up. Up up.
up.
No, you can take here. This one here.
Oh.
Okay.
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 It's not equal. Oh.
Okay.
Press
You
press
can hear.
press.
This one here.
Oh.
Wait, na. Sorry. Wait. This one you can take here and here.
How is it, Daddy?
Amazing.
Okay.
I'm scared, Daddy.
Wow, Eddie. Wow, nice.
Whoa. Oh my. Done. Oh my gosh. I've never made cotton candy before. I never thought we could make with the hand, and the warmth felt good.
ข้อมูลใหญ่ๆให้น้อง
นี่นะ
อันนั้นด้วยนะ
Just a minute.
Wow, Eddie. Wow, wow, wow.
Yes. Keep your voice low. Whoa.
Okay.
These are the
This one.
sugar.
It's okay.
Not sugar. A kind of sugar. Yeah, sugar.
Sugar.
When you put it into water, it becomes this again. Right? Yeah.
Oh, this seems like sugar sand.
Oh, this is kind of, glue.
This is kind of blue.
You want to bowl?
Okay, like this.
Yes.
Put inside this.
Put.
Really?
เขาใส่
Whoa. Will it squeeze it?
Now show me how is it. Oh my God.
Daddy? Voice down.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Say hi bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, like it, share it.
Daddy, there are many people here. You have to keep your voice down.
Okay.
It's not exactly like others. Oh, it is. Kind of.
Yeah, keep it somewhere.
No, it's Daddy. It's not to keep.
I want to make this. I want to make this.
It will take only one color. Just take lots and lots and lots, and your hand will get full.
Say bye.
Bye. Hey, we're not going back home yet. How is it? I made it. You made it. Guys, now I am in the aquarium. Let's see.
Oh wow.
Aww, you can see these little cute fish. Aww. You can see one fish is there, guys. It's hiding. Look at this fish. I've seen it in the cartoons. This one. I've seen this fish in the cartoons.
Look at the black fish.
Oh wow. They're playing hide and seek. They're playing catch.
Glowing plants, Addy. Glowing plants.
Yeah. They're not plants, they're choruses. Whoa, guys, you can see the statue. Guys, you can see the scary thing.
What is it? Look at its antenna.
People eat this. People eat this. You can see one is here too. There too. I'm so scared. Hello, mister.
Yeah.
Wow, look, choruses. Chorus.
What are they?
Chorus. They are live animals. Sea animals.
Many.
No, they're one. This is one.
This is one.
This whole bunch. The whole wonderland. Tiny fish are there. Really tiny blue fish. Ah? Oh, they're food.
Yeah.
Fish food. They're so big because of their food. Whoa.
Oh!
इसकी नींद अब कब पड़ेगी?
Seahorse or something?
यहाँ लिखा है बेटा, यहाँ लिखा है.
What is this? It's not.
What is it here?
Sea or something. I don't know. There's dragons.
Written over here.
Guys, you can see this monster. This little monster.
Oh, there is only one. I guess
Yeah, because it's a monster. It will eat everything. It's so fast.
Rusted tank.
Can't you just? They're so huge. They're so huge and they eat broccoli.
They broccoli.
Oh yeah, they eat broccoli.
What if mistakenly they eat the tree thinking it's broccoli? Huge broccoli.
They have decorated even outside like this. See?
Eee. Eee. These are fish in real or just a screen?
यार ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे समुद्र में आ गए हो.
What fish is that? So giant.
It's not a show, Mom.
Ari, that's a show.
What is it? Shaggy?
It's a, I don't know what it is.
Oh!
Wow. It's cute too. It stopped. It's gonna sleep here. Whoa, man. What is this?
Let's go.
Guys, this is a lionfish. Mom says it is.
I never saw that.
Can I go inside?
I mean,
Why can't right in front of me one? Hello?
Look, that one.
It's coming. Oh, hello? Hello? I wish I could touch them like
How they walk? They walk like this, huh?
like this. If they walk like this, that one was walking like this.
No, they walk like this only. To walk, they just put their hands behind. They have hands.
No,
on
look at that one. Yeah, they can kind of fly. They're kind of birds. You know, they are
Okay,
birds,
wings,
but they cannot fly. Guys, this is the glass bottom boat. You can see. Glass
the water
bottom
because
boat.
the fish can bite. Do not stand or walk on the glass แล้วก็ไม่ยืนนะคะหรือเดินบนเรือนะคะเพื่อคงสะสมดูเอาไว้นั่นเองในวันนี้คือพาวิแฮปปลาชนะยาปลาชนะจากด้านล่างสามารถดูได้ที่จะลาวชูซอวิง the one and only in Thailand
Up and out.
Oh. You can see the many fish.
everything smaller 30% because the glass is very thin
डर लग गया.
สามารถกินได้ตามนิดเดียว
Again, it's a tunnel.
the best fish do not put your hand okay
Yeah.
I really want to, but I cannot.
honestly I'm really grateful to youนะ
Oh.
Sounds like a shark. Can you guess how much teeth they have at their mouth?
Oh, what is this?
That's what I'm
That
saying.
one is the shovel nose ray.
You can see this.
This is a stingray.
This one is sleeping. Is this sleeping?
Is this shark sleeping?
Yes, they are sleeping right now. They're
It's sleeping and the waves are moving him.
Yeah.
Waves,
They
the...
cannot stop swimming because swimming made the oxygen for them.
Oh yeah, because
If
they're
they
in
stop
water.
swimming, that means they die.
Oh.
That one is Leona.
Yeah, the mantis there
ที่
again.
ลีโอนาเมื่อกี้นะคะ
So if they stop
Is this
swimming...
shark? Is this shark? Is this
Yes,
shark?
this is a shark, biggest shark.
Biggest shark.
Biggest shark they have.
Yes.
So
that's
if
a
they
shark.
stop swimming, they die.
Yes,
Oh.
that's right. Yes.
Do you have jellyfish
Yes,
too?
They cannot stay still.
Do you have jellyfish?
Yeah.
Do you have jellyfish here?
Jellyfish we have down there. You can go to see a jellyfish land. Okay.
I've heard that jellyfish, immortal jellyfish never die.
You cannot touch jellyfish. Jellyfish is poison.
Yeah. And I've heard that immortal jellyfish are, can never die by old age.
Oh really?
Yeah, when they become old, they make themselves young again, and then they they mix it. Then they get old and young, then old and young. Yeah.
Very cool fact for me. I never heard that before. Thank you for this.
And even when they get sick, they can, get better by themselves.
Like healing themselves.
Yeah, without any medicine or anything. I can see many fish together. Many big fish. Whoa! I can see thousands or tons.
Eddie, look at me.
Whoa.
Hey!
Guys, you can see.
else as well.
Okay, you can see these are garden eels, kind of sea animals, sea animals, garden eels. They're sea animals, right?
What about
Yeah.
that creature?
It's something don't need. It's not a creature. It is. No need to see.
बनाया उनके लिए.
Two are there.
Oh, they're so long.
वही देख के रुक जाओ, ये तो कभी कभी दिखते ही नहीं होंगे ना.
Castle. There's a castle for them to show garden. Oh, look, this one is looking at me.
नहीं साफ से कर लेते हैं वहाँ, वो भी तो इसे से निकलते रहते हैं. They are
Scribbled pipefish. Where are the pipefish?
here.
Wow!
You didn't see it.
No.
She didn't see it. Fish.
Wow.
But the picture.
Yours fine.
See yours.
See yours. I really wanted to see it.
She
I
asked
want-
me the other day, what should I make? I said, make seahorse.
I have one
Sleepy.
sleeping.
So guys, what's your name, beta? आपका नाम क्या है? Arwar. So we found Arwar. He is basically from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh, and he knows Addy from a channel.
You watch Addy's videos on YouTube? Yes. Great.
As you can see, this is long spine sea urchin. You can see the upper one is a baby.
This is like a fruit.
Look at its eyes. Two eyes here.
Oh, eyes.
Here, from here.
I can see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Two eyes here, and one mouth over here.
No, this is the eye.
Okay, maybe.
It's wrong. Those are the colors. Oh my gosh.
Record then. What is it?
Where's my camera?
अरे ये क्या है?
It's a fish.
अबे साला ये क्या है?
Hello. How are you? And it's given babies also, I think. One went from here. And it's swimming. Look, here. It's swimming. It's gonna come. Look!
Oh, yeah. Look at its eye.
It wants to play.
Is that an eye? Or breathing thing?
With
What is this?
fish tank.
Oh my, ayun.
Guys, I noticed that there's safari also, I think, here. Small safari.
Lizards. Are they lizards or what?
Chameleons or lizards. Okay? They're chameleons, guys. So we're going through here. Dad, you come in front. Don't shout. Daddy, wait. You can't go in front like that.
Go inside. Go. Go inside.
Whoa. I don't want to.
Go.
I don't want to. Mom, go. So mom's going to go.
Oh, Eddie, what is it?
And mom has come out of the hole. Okay, come now, come.
Eddie, see?
It gives some different
Hey!
hearing
Cockroach.
when you go in.
Cockroach.
It gives some different kind of hearing experience when you go in.
Oh.
Look, that's why I'm scared.
Chameleon.
Chameleon, crocodile, anything. Whatever it is,
Not a crocodile.
it's so
This is
cute.
like-
It's a chameleon. Look over there. Yeah, they don't have teeth.
Are you sure? I'm scared. I should.
Yes.
I never touched one. Oh. This little creature. You can see. So good. He's a caretaker.
Now it's gonna swim.
It's gonna swim. It loves it. So guys, you know, right now from there we came back a little bit, not much. So right now I'm having, you know, popcorn, cold drink, and mom and dad are having this. I'm not eating this. It's a surprise. I don't know if there's something to eat. So we're having lunch or dinner. Anything, just food. Do not touch.
यहाँ से ही देखो.
Manta de.
What is it?
Not this. I don't know this, but I know the. Look at the bottom, manta de.
Yeah, look at the skin.
So come here. Why can't? Yeah, you see, this is the upside down jellyfish. It's swimming. I was gonna say flying. You can see this, you know, they're stuck on the wall, and here they're sitting. Okay, there is me.
Where are you going, Eddie?
To touch starfish.
Come.
Wait, Mama! Wait for me. Let's go. I'm gonna be in front. Whoa, here. I'm scared. If it was like this, it would be sitting. Wow, there's starfish here.
Okay, slide on their body.
Eee! How does it feel? Scared.
You wanna try?
I'm scared.
It feels like a
Why is it
dog.
not moving?
It's moving, you see? Still walking, but slowly.
Eee!
It's not a fish, so they're cloning on the sand, just like move a little.
I don't.
somewhere.
Daddy, then you.
To
Feels
survive.
like the normal like stone.
I don't wanna.
On the
I'm
top.
scared.
It's okay, don't harmful. It's,
Can we touch its tip?
yeah.
It's
It's okay, somebody waiting, okay?
Peter, quickly! Somebody else is waiting.
Oh really? Oh yeah. Then,
Away.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I touched.
It has teeth, little teeth.
Yes. Hello. Oh.
One is coming. Coming. One, two.
Oh. Come here. I wanted to come here. Like. Oh.
There are four
Hello.
mantaras.
Hello. I want one. These ones give current. It's still there. Oh. Why? It's an activity, feeding activity. Even I wanna do
They are the staff.
stuff.
So guys, this is how they feed.
Guys, you can see we are in the tunnel now. Shark tunnel.
Because that's why they are named around here.
This is a shark tunnel. All a shark tunnel. Yeah. You see, there are many sharks. That's why it's called shark tunnel. It's going over us. The end of the shark tunnel. Yeah, this is the middle of the shark tunnel. A whole Christmas tree. And the decorations at the top are jellyfish. Many big fish are going. Guys, you know, sharks, you know, they sleep. You know, when they sleep, they, you know, they keep moving. If they stop moving, they will die. And this is one shark. It's not sleeping.
Yeah, it's up. But look at its teeth. They are
It's-
scary.
Yeah, scary. This is a vending machine, so we will see. It's saying push to start here. Guys, you can see this fish looking at us.
Where are you showing, beta, by the way?
Look!
Okay.
In front of us, just in front of us. And just under it, a shark thingy is going. Something like a shark. Looks like a blob. Oh my, it's big. It's such a big fish, Dad.
Like me. Shark is coming. Shark is coming.
Shark. Guys, you can see the shark.
Sure.
Cameras.
Come.
Remove the cameras.
No.
Oh no, that's why they are coming here. Now show off.
มันมาจากขนนู้นนั่นเพราะว่าขนน้องมันไม่เปลี่ยนไป
This one is nearby. Jellyfish.
What are you doing now?
I want this. And this.
Okay.
Look, guys. I will show you. These are things, you know,
कहाँ दिख रहा है बेटे?
fake eatables. Fake eatables. Toys. You can see mushy. There are many
I want to
things.
eat this. I want to eat this.
Daddy, you cannot eat. You can see all toys.
And can you ask your dad what does dorega mean? Dorega.
Dodega, like
Dodega.
Like,
it's like if we do this, will it do? Chalega?
it will be
some
really
people
good.
say dodega, like, which means
I understood.
yeah.
Dorega means go fast. Go fast.
Yes.
Dodega means you're super.
Go fast. And chalega means stand strong. Whatever you say, I don't care. I'm going to stand strong. So you have to decide if you're going to chalega or dorega. Right?
Okay, Eddie, say namaste again.
Namaste. Danibat.
What?
Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So guys, now we're going to a cruise. You can see the cruise is in front of us. We're going in this cruise now. This is the cruise. We are inside the cruise. Here. This is the cruise.
Oh my God.
We are in the cruise. Whoa! We have this seat.
So yucky.
Wow, who booked this in?
Guys, you can see another cruise. Another cruise, Mom. This.
Eddie, ये लो मैं तुम्हारे लिए पकौड़े लाया हूँ। ये मैं एडी बेटे इतने दिन से मैंने पकौड़े नहीं खाए थे, समोसे नहीं खाए थे, पापड़ नहीं खाए थे, चटनी नहीं खाया था, सब लाया हूँ तुम्हारे लिए। ये देखो।
I got this. Pineapple.
Yes.
This should have tried it.
एडी
That's another bigger cruise. So guys, today's day is now, finished. The second day is finished. We're at the mall right now. We will go to the hotel. We'll sleep then. Okay? So.
Yeah, we had fun and now
And-
she's going with this train.
No, I'm not.
With this or
And guys,
On
I
this.
bought this from KKV. It's a shop.
ओके नाउ एडी आप इससे जाओगे ना पूछ
There are no tracks in front of us.
लेट्स गो ओ
Let's go.
ट्रेन के आगे नहीं आते कंचन बाय
There are no tracks.
बाय
Bye.
बाय
Ready?
बाय पोस्ट ऑफिस
Box.
दिस इज पोस्ट बॉक्स
And it has
ओह कम
tokens, coins.
बाय
Good.
हम जहाँ से जाते हैं बंद करवा के ही जाते हैं। बाय।
Bye.